you respect, and you gotta command it. It's not my job. That's your job. You don't let people talk over you when you're trying to get your grade. That's like money. Would you let somebody just take your money and throw it around? Somebody gonna let them play with your grades. You tag them up, just like I tag you up.
Come on, Chestnut.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Better, better.
Because I didn't know I was supposed to. Just put it down as a sick one. Did you get my?
There's no big honker in the way.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes.
Chestnut. My name's Jacob, and I'm going to show you how to tie a shoe. First, you get a shoe. Then, you grab the shoelaces, one in each hand. Then, make bunny ears. Then, you loop it, you swoop it, and you pull. And you
Good
tie
job.
it.
Oh, sorry.